I'm gonna need y'all's help naming another one because I don't know what the hell to call it, but it was good. Had my chicken breast seasoned with Chupacabra blend, their seasonal. Really good. Let that sit for about 30 minutes. Put each breast in there, a little coat of flour, brown them off in the skillet, kind of par cooked them. Had some bell peppers and onions that I needed to use, so I diced those up once I was done browning off all my chicken and getting that in a casserole dish. I softened those up, kind of deglazed the pan. Poured that on top of the casserole dish, and then I had some leftover queso in there. Just basic, Velveeta and jalapeno, things like that. But it wasn't enough, so I added a jar of Alfredo sauce to it, and it was stupid good, like one of those happy accidents. We were eating it with just chips. Like, I'm gonna have to change my queso game up now. Some frozen biscuits that we cooked. Added butter to the top just for a little bit of extra flavor. Did some rice. Took it on the bottom of the bowl with it, but man, it was good.